We're here today at the Sheephouse Wood mine water treatment scheme, treating water from an abandoned colliery and removing iron from that water before discharging it into the watercourse. We're here today to take some samples with Anton Firth from Imperial College London of reed bed material. The reeds are something we use as a final treatment step, and there's potential through research that Anton and the group are doing at Imperial College to actually be able to use that reed bed material to generate new biofuels or other products with value. Management of the waste from our treatment activities is very important, minimising the amount of waste that goes to landfill and improving the environmental impact of what we do and adding value to the activities that we do. The reuse of all of our waste and byproduct streams here is really important in helping us achieve those goals.
So my PhD involves utilisation of the reeds grown on wetlands used for water remediation. Right now we build these wetlands to clean the water, and the reeds are essentially a byproduct, a waste product. And so what my group does is to see whether we can make something valuable, either biofuel or production of high value cellulose pulp, which you could sell to the paper industry. We're here today because I was after some reed samples grown on acid mine drainage. So I've got a couple of bags of them. I'm going to take them back to the lab, analyse them for metal content, see if they've got any iron or manganese inside, and then see if these metal contaminated species respond differently to our process. I think this treatment facility is very impressive. It's the first time I've actually seen a wetland in person, so until now it's all been reading in textbooks and academic papers, and it's fantastic to see it in action, the scale of it, seeing the water before and afterwards, and just getting this all in person is very different to on paper.